come storm chasing with me and Weather Holidays. Checked out my hostel early because this was changeover day. Had lunch with some other people from tour 2 and waved goodbye to them because this is now our turn. It's great to be back out on the roads in the States. We had a quick safety talk and learnt the codes to request a stop. Today was a day of driving to get in position for the next upcoming storms, so it was time to sit back, enjoy the views and get to know your fellow chasers. I was in the lead car today with the party tunes. We checked in at the Red Reef Inn and all met in the lobby to enjoy some beers before bed. First official chase days tomorrow where we're heading towards Texas Panhandle with a good chance of storms.